Hello Hivers, welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be making an alternate using the Painted Petals July 2024 paper pumpkin kit. This is a picture of what the kit is supposed to make. Look at this cute little box it came in. And we're going to be making a cute alternate today. But before we get started on our project, of course, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. Let's start with the Time for Cake August paper pumpkin kit that makes 9 cards and comes with the Night and Navy stamping spot, as well as an additional free stamp set. You have the Every Celebration Dies add-on available for $12. The item number is 164991. These dies coordinate with July, August, and September paper pumpkin kits, and there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin. Next, we have our mystery boxes. These are the medium flat rate USPS boxes that I have stuffed full of new and used, all retired Stampin' Up products. I'm asking $30 for each box. Shipping is included. I can only sell and mail these boxes in the United States. If you are interested, please email me at stampwithshana@gmail.com. Next, we have our host code. This is the code I want you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code because you're going to qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free product from Stampin' Up, and I don't want you to miss out on any of your freebies. Also, in the month of July, we have our bonus days promotion going on, where you spend $50, you're going to earn a $5 coupon to redeem in August. Stampin' Up will email you your coupon code, so you need to look out for it, save it, because they can't reissue it, and then you can redeem it in August. That is all of our buzzworthy business for today, so let's get started on our quick alternate. So I have a card base here of thick basic white, 8.5 by 5.5, scored at 4 1/4. We have some card pieces from the kit. These are from the back of the cards, and these have been cut down to 2 3/4 by 1 3/4. We have basic black that is 2 7/8 by 1 7/8. And then we have the label from the kit, the sentiment label that we're going to stamp on. Then I also went ahead and die cut this from Old Olive. This is a leaf that is from this dies that coordinate with the July, August, and September kits, okay? And then I also stamped, dyed, and colored the flower that's in the stamp set and the die set, okay? This is Daffodil Delight with Cajun Craze, Granny Apple Green. So let's go ahead and stamp our sentiment. I'm going to be using basic gray for our ink color. And I'm going to stamp Let's Celebrate You. Have that on there. Okay. Then we are going to get some basic black Stampin' Right marker. Not Stampin' Right, the Stampin' Blends. And I'm going to get the brush tip in. Hopefully I have enough ink in here. And I want to just add some splatters onto this card base. Just like that. Just a little. So now we are going to go ahead and start gluing pieces together. So I'm going to mat all of these pieces onto the basic black using our Tombow liquid glue. It's just a small border here. I'm going to try my best to keep it where it's supposed to be. I probably need to start venturing out and using other adhesive, because something like this simple, I really don't need the wiggle room of this liquid glue. And that way I will be sure not to make a mistake of moving it out of place once I place it. Because I do that quite a bit. Okay, so I'm going to take this piece and adhere it to our card base. And I'm going to put it about right here. No, more in the middle there. About right there. I'm going to take this Mossy Meadow piece. And I'm going to put it right there. And then we're going to take the Melon Mambo I'm gonna put this one about right there, just like that. Then we are going to take our flower, remove the backs of the dimensionals that I added earlier before the video. And we're gonna put this right here, like that. I'm gonna put a little bit of liquid glue. Oh no, have a dimensional back, run away. We're gonna put a little bit of liquid glue on the back of our leaf here. Not too much because we don't want it squirting out. And I'm just gonna add this down here like that. Then we're gonna get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put on our sentiment here. So let me get some of those. I'll get the minis here. Three should do it. Let's remove the backs. Oh goodness. And we're gonna put this sentiment right here, like that. And then we're gonna take some adhesive back shiny sequins, and we're gonna add these onto our card using our Take Your Pick tool. Is this a embellishment stuck here in the middle? I don't know. Let's get this big one. We'll put two of those right there. It's connected. I'm gonna leave them there. We're gonna take two of the greens and we're gonna put them here. Then we'll take one of the melon mambo and put it right there. And that is our card done. Isn't that cute? I love that. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.